Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking some seafood Cajun pasta with you guys. I'm super excited. You guys always ask me on my social media, how did I make it? What did I do? What did I use? So today I'm going to be showing you guys that, and I can't wait. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope that you guys can follow along and recreate it, and please let me know how it turns out for you. So let's get into the ingredients. I'm showing you slowly every single thing that I use. Now, you are going to see that I am using seafood. You can definitely use the same recipe with any kind of protein that you would like. But currently, I am trying to eat more seafood and less meat, so that's what I'm using. Here are my seasonings. I do use every single item that you're seeing right now, so you can always adjust it based on your own taste buds, but this is just what I'm going to use for this specific recipe. This is me boiling the water for the noodles. I am adding oil so the noodles do not stick together. Now you're going to boil your water on high because you want this to boil very quickly. Now we're going to just cut open the lobster tail, and then you're going to see me cutting the lobster into the pieces of the desired size that I want to use today. Now you're going to see me season my meat. I told you guys I am using almost every seasoning that you are seeing here. The reason why I'm seasoning my meat is because, one, it's very important, and also once we cook our seafood, you're going to see that there's going to be some leftover juice, and we need that for our sauce as well. So make sure that you season your seafood. This is a very important step. You want your seafood to taste like something underneath the pasta sauce. So I always season my meat no matter what. We're going to also season our veggies as well. And again, I love seasoning things because you have to make sure that under your sauce, the actual things that you're eating taste like something as well. Now we're going to add our butter. And once the butter does come to a proper, I would say, once the butter melts, then we're going to go ahead and add our veggies first. And then once we add our veggies, then we're going to put our veggies to the side. And then once we put those to the side, then we're going to add our meat. And then once we add our seafood, our meat of choice for the day. Then we're going to go ahead and put only the seafood aside. Please leave your sauce to the side for when we do create the actual pasta sauce. Do not put the sauce in the same bowl that you're going to put the seafood aside. Please, please, please. Now we're going to get into the pasta sauce. As you can see, I'm adding my garlic butter first. I'm going to go ahead and let that fall in. And then we're going to add our leftover juice that I told you from the cooked seafood in this butter. After that, we're going to add our milk and we're going to stir. Now the water is finally boiling. Now I can go ahead and add the pasta. I'm going to use 1 box of pasta. You can add as much pasta as you like. Again, all this is cooked to portion size, I guess, or how many people you're cooking for. But me, I'm cooking for the video, and I'm cooking for some friends who can have leftovers. So I'm doing a very minimal portion size. I'm going to go ahead and add my tomato and my cheese, and I'm going to mix it all in together. Now you're probably wondering why I'm cooking the empty lobster tail. The reason is because I want to use it for decoration in my plate, and I want to make sure it was cooked before I did so. I did clean it, all that good stuff, so yeah. And I did cook the mussels, as you can see, that's there as well. And now we're going to just start adding everything to our pasta sauce because the sauce is now ready to go. Once I've added everything to the sauce, you're going to see the sauce is getting a little bit darker, which is exactly what is supposed to happen, so don't be scared. It's just the seasoning doing its job. Of course, once you mix everything together, we're going to just go ahead and let it sit there. Once it sits there for at least 10-15 minutes, the sauce is ready to go. Now, it's very important that you understand why I did not cook the shrimp until it was super hard, because it's going to be in the sauce for so long and you don't want such shrimp. So, just in case anybody was wondering that is why. Here is our final plate. Y'all, this looks so amazing and tasted so amazing. It's perfect, and I just hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did.